Hey, this is Sreehari from Mr. Phone, and today we have the Tecno Camon I Twin. A very interesting name for a phone. Does that mean that there are two phones inside? I don't know, there seems to be a picture of two phones, but let's just see what we get inside the Tecno Camon I Twin. I'm not gonna take a look at the specifications here. I'll take a look at the phone and then tell you the specifications. So I'll just straight get inside the box. Let's open that seal up. So now we've taken the seal and everything off, so let me just take this out. One hard job to take a phone out nowadays, but yes, here is the Tecno Camon I Twin. So this is the phone. As you can see, I'll take off the upper screen guard, and the screen guard came along with it. So here is the packet, here is the film that you have on top, and here is the screen guard. It just came out, but what the hell, we have a very beautiful screen in front. At the back too, I think you can see. I think you can now see why it's called the Twin, because there are dual cameras on the Tecno Camon I Twin, and that's why it's probably called a Twin. I don't see any other reason for Tecno to name it that. But let's keep the phone aside for a bit. I'll keep it here so that you can take a look at it, and we'll take a look at quickly what else we get inside the box. So Tecno unboxings have been very standard. You usually do get a case inside Tecno boxes always, and that seems to be the case here. Pun intended. So you do get a case inside the Tecno Camon I Twin, which is a tinted case, just like you get with the OnePlus 5T. It does look like the OnePlus 5T now that I think of it, and you can put this case on that you get inside the box, and voila, you have a phone with a case. Now let's get inside. You get 12 plus 1 months warranty. There's user manual, things that most people don't read. There's nothing else inside this box too, so let's keep that aside. And looking at main accessories, you get a micro USB cable, a very good quality micro USB cable indeed, and which also has Tecno branding on it. You do get earphones inside, and it's not a surprise because Tecno has been giving earphones with all their phones in the past, and this does look a bit like the Apple AirPods. I'm very sure it won't sound anywhere close to them, but yes, you do get earphones inside the box, which is very cool. And finally, you do get a charger with a cool gray looking top and Tecno branding. So this is a 5 volt 2 amp charger, not a fast charger, a standard charger that you get for the Tecno Camon I Twin. So here we have the Tecno Camon I Twin, and while it's turning on, let's quickly take a look at the specs of the Tecno Camon I. So with the specs, you get a 6-inch HD plus display with the 18:9 aspect ratio. You get the Snapdragon 425 chipset inside, along with 3 GB RAM and 32 GB storage. There's a 4000 mAh battery inside, which is quite surprising looking at the thin profile of the phone. You also get a lot of AI features in the camera being a 13 plus 2 megapixel camera at the back and a 13 megapixel camera at the front. Now the 13 megapixel camera at the back does say wide angle, but we'll have to test it out. So here we've booted up on the home screen of the Tecno Camon I Twin, and Tecno's OS hasn't changed in a while. And if you see any of my earlier unboxings of any of the Tecno products, and I'll link them in the description below and a card, you'll see that the OS hasn't exactly changed much, and it comes with Android Oreo out of the box, which is great for a budget phone. And so I'll not spend much time looking at the standard features. You can go and take a look at my other unboxing videos, but what we'll take a look at quickly in this video is, first let's take a look at Face ID. So I have set up Face ID on the Tecno Camon I Twin, and let me see if that works. Let me turn on the phone, and I'm in front of the phone as I'm in front of the camera, and you can see that it unlocked. It's not the fastest face unlock, but what can you expect from a budget phone, right? Now quickly taking a look, you do get all the Google apps that come pre-installed inside the phone. You also have a lot of apps from Tecno, and you also have the option of an app drawer, which is very rare to see these days in phones, mostly coming out of China. You also get this freezer app, which actually someone was talking to us about on the Mr. Phone WhatsApp group. So if you don't know about the Mr. Phone WhatsApp group, there is a link in the description below. Come and join it as quickly as possible. So someone was asking on the WhatsApp group why companies don't ship their phones with an app like Greenify, which could let them hibernate their apps so that they don't pull in notifications and don't put pressure on the battery. So Tecno does give you an app called the freezer, which basically does that. You can hibernate any app that you want. You can put them in the freezer, they'll get freezed, which means that they'll not pull in any notifications. So as I said, you've seen all the specs, everything. If you want to see a full review, please let me know that in the comment section. But the one thing that I do want to test out before ending this video is the cameras. So the 13 megapixel camera said wide angle. Let me bring in the Tecno Camon i box, and doesn't exactly seem wide angle. So, but you do get a dual camera setup at the back with the 2 megapixel secondary sensor for depth sensing, which will obviously let you take the bokeh mode DSLR level pictures that you see. You can shoot 1080p video using it, and you can go as low as 480p on the Tecno Camon i. Now, you do get beauty mode and panorama if you want to take a look at the selfie quality. So what I've done is I've taken a few pictures with the Tecno Camon i. So it's for you to judge. Please let me know in the comment section, what do you think about the camera quality? Is it worth buying? What do you think about the selfie quality? Please let me know that in the comment section. I'm sharing the pictures with you. So you do get all the Google apps pre-installed, you get the gallery, the phone manager app. You also get WhatsApp and Facebook pre-installed. Fun fact, Mr. Phone is very active on Facebook, and we have a very interesting Facebook group. Please join that. It's funny that we have WhatsApp and Facebook here. It seems like Tecno is working in favor of Mr. Phone, because we have a WhatsApp and a Facebook group. All the links to that are in the description below. Come join that if you want to have intelligent conversations about smartphones. So that was an unboxing and quick look of the Tecno Camon i. So the price is the one thing that I know a lot of you are waiting for, and the price for the Tecno Camon i is 11,499. So for that price, what you get is a Snapdragon 425, you get a 6-inch HD plus display, you get a 13 plus 2 megapixel camera array at the back and a 13 megapixel camera at the front. And I'm sure you've taken a look at the selfies and the camera samples. If you haven't, go back and take a look at them. You get a 4000 mAh battery inside, you get Android Oreo out of the box, and you get earphones inside along with the case. So that's what you get with the Tecno Camon i. Please let me know what you think of this phone in the comment section below. So I guess with that we come to an end of this unboxing and quick look of the Tecno Camon i. So please let me know what you think of this phone in the comment section. Drop down any questions that you have. I'll jump below and answer each and every one of them. But I guess that's it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. This is Sreehari from Mr. Phone, and I'll catch you in the next one.